there aren't many staple destinations for travelers, perpetual tourists, and expats alike in Costa Rica, especially in the dwindling Gringo Gulch area of San Jose, which was once rife with American bars and restaurants. Over the years, tourism to Costa Rica has rocketed up, but not in San Jose. This place is a combination of a hotel for tourists as well as a hangout for locals. Yes, there are bar girls that hang out there and will likely entertain you for compensation, but don't let that deter you. You can't go wrong if you're looking for the perfect place to watch a game. The largest problem in Costa Rica is often that the locals will opt to put on soccer instead of a major sporting event. If you are the average male traveling around the downtown area of San Jose, the Sportsmens, as most locals call it, is the best spot to relax. The hotel is a converted old mansion that has several wings featuring themed rooms to fit every budget. You can secure a room that opens into the main lobby, which features numerous couches and an enormous bar that is always playing sporting events both local and globally. No matter what budget and expectations you have, this hotel offers something for everyone. The rooms are unique and clean, which isn't always the case in Costa Rica, especially with the hotels in downtown. Besides being clean, the rooms are well lit and very safe. Although danger lurks just blocks away from this place, and let's face it, anywhere in San Jose, everything here is very safe and well guarded. There's full-time security making sure there aren't any street urchins or homeless misfits that will cause any inconvenience. Everyone in the establishment speaks English, albeit some of it is broken. Bill Alexander, the owner, is usually on premises and is a hands-on manager who takes care of any issues as they happen. He's one of the most approachable and well-liked gringo business owners in the Central Valley, and he's happy to enjoy a drink with you and chat.
There is pool people, which always seems to attract attention.
There is pool table, which always seems to attract attention. If you are looking for more, the kitchen does offer a full American-style menu. Food is average American quality, which makes it very good in comparison to most of the places trying to make American food in Costa Rica. As a warning, you won't want to stay in any of the interior rooms that open up to the lobby bar because there will be noise early and late. If you are an early riser and find yourself staying up late to close the bar, you won't have to worry about this. You can get massages on premises as well as have access to a small gym and sauna. The women see bartenders at Sportsmen's Lodge. Now, this is the part that a lot of people who may not get that prostitution is legal in Costa Rica. And again, we are not promoting it. Let's make that clear. Have a hard time coming to grips with the bartenders are the friendliest in San Jose. The Sportsmen's Lodge allows entrepreneurial women to roam the premises. That being said, it's not so in your face like the Hotel Del Rey, but they are around. However, rest assured this isn't a brothel or a place where women are pushing. They won't approach you or tempt you unless you engage them. Many of them are bar regulars simply looking for a sponsor on the bar tab. While I've seen families checking in this place, it's not something I would feel comfortable with. You'll also find the hotel very accommodating and friendly when it comes to shuttling you to and from the airport, as well as making arrangements to go on excursions like at-sea rides or sport fishing. At the end of the day, if you are visiting Costa Rica, especially as a male, you won't find a more hospitable place that will welcome you like the Sportsmen's Lodge in San Jose.